In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets offline. If you travel, work on the go, or just lose Wi-Fi from time to time, setting up offline access ensures you can keep typing, calculating, and organizing without interruption. We'll walk through enabling offline access for a specific spreadsheet using only built-in Google tools. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so your files and settings are available. At the top right, click the small grid icon, often called the Google Apps Launcher. This opens a panel with the main Google services you use every day. Choose Sheets from that panel. You'll land on the Google Sheets home screen, which lists your recent spreadsheets and any folders you've organized. Open the spreadsheet you want to use offline. Once it's open, Sheets automatically saves your work to Google Drive. If you want it in a specific Drive folder, use File, then Move, and pick the destination. Keeping it in Drive is important, because offline access is managed there. Next, open Google Drive in your browser and locate that spreadsheet. You can browse your folders, check the Recent section, or use the search bar to find it by name. Right-click the file to open its menu. You'll see options for sharing, moving, starring, and more. Click Make Available Offline. Drive will download the necessary data in the background and mark the file for offline use on this device. After it finishes, you'll notice an indicator showing it's available offline. A few helpful notes here. Offline copies live on your device, so they take some storage space. The setting applies per device and per browser profile, and you can repeat this action for any other Sheets files you need offline. From now on, when you're without internet, you can open that spreadsheet from Drive or directly from Sheets and continue editing. Most features work as usual. Real-time collaboration pauses while you're offline, but your edits are saved locally and will sync automatically the next time you reconnect. If someone else changes the file while you're away, Google will merge updates and alert you if there's anything to review. That's it. You've prepared your Google Sheet for offline work with just a few clicks, so your projects can keep moving even when your connection doesn't. For best results, stay signed in on the device you use most, and remember, you can turn offline access off the same way if you need to free up space. Keep your browser updated for smoother syncing and the latest offline improvements.